The top 4 email marketing companies. Each of them include a free demo, so the link for any of those email marketing companies is below this video description. Now let's have a look about them. GetResponse. GetResponse is a versatile email marketing platform that offers features beyond email marketing, including automation, landing pages, webinars, and CRM integration. Pricing, basic plan, starts at $15 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Includes email marketing, autoresponders, basic automation templates, and unlimited landing pages. Plus plan, starts at $49 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Includes all basic features plus automation builder, webinars with up to 100 attendees. And contact scoring, professional plan, starts at $99 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Includes all plus features plus paid webinars, unlimited automation builder, and on-demand webinars. Max plan, custom pricing for large enterprises with specific needs. Includes all professional features plus dedicated support and consulting. Aweber. Aweber is a popular email marketing service known for its simplicity and reliability, catering primarily to small businesses and entrepreneurs. Pricing, free plan, includes basic features for up to 500 subscribers, with Aweber branding and emails. Pro plan, starts at $19 per month for up to 500 subscribers. Includes unlimited emails, automation, split testing, phone support, and more. Prices increase as the subscriber count grows, with plans available for up to 25,000 subscribers and custom pricing for larger lists. Moozend. Moozend is a relatively newer email marketing platform that's gained popularity for its user-friendly interface and affordability. Pricing, free plan, includes basic features for up to 1,000 subscribers. With Moozend branding and emails. Pro plan, starts at $8 per month for up to 1,000 subscribers. Includes all free plan features plus landing pages, advanced segmentation, phone support, and more. Prices increase based on the number of subscribers, with plans available for higher subscriber counts. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is a well-established email marketing service offering a range of features, including customizable email templates, contact management, social media integration, and more. Pricing, email plan, starts at $20 per month for up to 500 contacts. Includes unlimited emails, customizable templates, list building tools, and basic reporting. Email Plus plan, starts at $45 per month for up to 500 contacts. Includes all email plan features plus additional features like automation, surveys, polls, and coupons. Prices increase as the number of contacts grows, with plans available for larger lists. Pricing of those email marketing companies may vary year to year. Find the links of the most reputable web hosting providers in the description of this video. Thank you for watching our video. Have a wonderful day.